Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is me Rishika Rajput. Welcome to the series of 17 and growing lesson number 3rd. So पहले मैं बता दूँ मेरे हाथ पे इंक लगाया है. मैंने इंक लगा ली. These are a kind of daily habit. मैं बचकाना habit एक से अपने life तो इसको इग्नोर करो, ठीक है? Let's start the video. The third lesson which I would like to tell to you is that be fake. आगे सुनो. Be fake to your brain. What इसका impact क्या होगा in your life is very dramatic and very huge. How would I explain you to is that be fake to your brain. Suppose if you have a very bad habit, any bad habit, suppose just implement it in your mind, and that you want to just remove that bad habit from your life. Then you know what you need to do is that you have to be fake to your brain. How? Say no to it. Like for example, if you I cannot think of any example. For example, suppose if you have a habit of smoking and you want to remove it, then how will you be fake to your brain and how will you remove it? So you need to just say no. Say no to smoking. That's not what I mean to say is that whenever like suppose you're surrounding yourself with people who smoke and you will also will to smoke, right? But you have to just remove that habit. Then you need to say that you don't need to say that I do not smoke. No, you need to say that I never smoke. I'm not that kind of person. So these two sentences are different and the impact it will give to your life is very big. If you say that I don't smoke, it means that you have been a smoker and you had been a smoker in the past few days and now you don't smoke. That means what? It is the second sentence which I spoke is that I never smoke. I'm so sorry, I don't do these habits. Then the impact it is having is that it tells that you have never been a smoker, you never used to smoke, then also you not like to smoke right now. So what I mean to say is that how to implement is that the sentences matter a lot. The way you speak to your brain really matters. Though this is just an example. I'm not saying you are a smoker or I am a smoker, not at all. That was just an example. I did not recognize any example right now, so I just explained it. Like for example, I wanted to remove phone addiction to myself. So what I said to myself is that oh Rishika, you're not a phone kind of person, you're a nature kind of person. बस इसको what I would say in Hindi is that दिमाग को बुद्धि आना. बस दिमाग को बुद्धि बनाओ. दिमाग तुमसे चलाक होगा, तुम्हारी बॉडी को जानता होगा, तुम्हारे सारे इंटेलिजेंस को जानता होगा, बट यू नीड टू फेक योर ब्रेन ब्रो. एक बार ट्राई करके देखो. इट इज़ द बेस्ट एडवाइस नॉट एडवाइस. दैट्स द थिंग आई हैव इम्प्लीमेंटेड बाई माई सेल्फ इन मेनी एरियाज ऑफ माई लाइफ एंड आई थिंक यू शुड ऑल्सो गिव इट अ ट्राई. वंस एक बार ट्राई करके देखो इन एनी फील्ड, एनी काइंड ऑफ फील्ड, बेटर अबाउट फ्रेंडशिप और एनीथिंग, यू गेट इट राइट. एंड हाउ टू इम्प्लीमेंट इज दैट sentences do matter. What you speak to your brain does matter. Sentence के according to the example I gave to you, it might help you, right? I hope you have liked the video. ठीक है, मैंने चश्मा निकाल दिया, ठीक है. अब मुझे नहीं मैंने बोल से अगर पसंद आया then implement it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Bye bye.